Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy official Keem Reacts. So today we're gonna react to Bill Burr, Women Fail the WNBA. Now it's my very first time listening to this guy. I already went viral a moment ago or back in the day, but let's see why he has gone viral. So without further ado, let's hear what Bill Burr has to display. I'm so excited, guys. Stay tuned. Let's go.
I saw a woman a couple months back, professional soccer player, right? She goes on to ESPN or one of these sports channels, and she starts going like, I don't understand, how come female athletes don't make as much as male professional athletes, right? And all of these men had to sit there and act like they didn't know what the answer was. They had to sit there like dumbfounded, like, oh, I don't know. Why is that? That is a conundrum. I have no idea. Literally, I'm sitting at home screaming at the TV because you don't sell me tickets.
Bro, I love his reactions. I love his reactions. Alright. I'm quite amused. I'm quite amused right now.
Nobody is going to women's soccer games. You're playing in a 20,000 seat arena. 1,500 people show up. That's not a good night. Promoter lost his ass on that gig. I'm not saying no professional female athletes, Serena Williams, the women in the UFC, but nobody's watching your sport.
Bro, like this man is funny as hell, bro. Guys, it's my very first time, but based on what I'm seeing now, based on what I'm hearing, he's damn good. He's even better than I am. Okay, let's go.
And then you're gonna come and you're gonna get mad at men. They keep doing that shit. Why are you yelling at us? It's not my job. It's not my job to give a about women's soccer. Okay?
Bro.
I have men's sport to pay attention to. It's your bullshit, right? Dude, look at the WNBA. Dude, nobody in the WNBA got COVID.
Bro, this man just speak his mind, and he's even funnier speaking it. This is the type of people I like to listen to because they never tend to hold back whatever they have to say in their mind out loud so people can hear. Guys, he's so funny. Whoa, I'm impressed.
Nobody. They've been playing in front of 300 to 400 people a night for a quarter of a century.
Huh?
Not to mention, it's a male-subsidized league. We gave you a league. None of you showed up. Where are all the feminists? That place should be packed with feminists.
Yeah, that's true.
Faces painted, wearing jerseys, slashing their titties, going nuts like the guys do in the upper deck with their big beer titties.
What? Bro, this guy is funny as hell, man. But where are the feminists? I mean, like, if you're at a game, right, the WNBA, and you're barely seeing any feminists watching, trust me, bro, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good for me. But I don't blame them. I don't blame them. Okay, let's go further.
Am I on the Jumbotron? Am I doing it? You didn't. None of you went to the games.
Yeah, like none.
None of you. You failed them. Not me. Not men. Women failed the WNBA. Ladies, name your top 5 all-time WNBA players of all time. Come on.
Bro, like, none of them can even name none. I mean, like, they're worse. They're whack. They're whack. Guys, so certain things women are not good at. Like, they are absolutely not good at them.
answer. Name 5 WNBA teams. Name the WNBA team in your city. You can't do it.
Can't name none.
You don't give a They play night in and night out in front of nobody. It's a tragedy.
Yeah.
Right? And then meanwhile, you look at the Kardashians, they're making billions.
Yeah.
You
True.
know those Real Housewife shows, they're making money hand over fist.
That's true, man. These guys speak facts, bro. Facts, like absolute facts, bro. Like, bro, he knows too much. He knows too much. I feel he knows too much.
That's what women are watching.
Yeah.
The money listens.
Yeah.
You don't want to watch this shit? You watch this shit? They just shoot it over there. Drown in money. Purses and shoes and Botox.
Huh?
It's just raining. It's raining money.
Bro.
Yeah.
Bro, these guys give absolute zero about nothing anybody has to say. Like what? This guy's a legend, man. He's not scared of saying anything. He's not scared. He just talk his mind.
So, the money listens. You'd rather watch that shit. Real Housewives, bunch of women just tearing each other down. Well, maybe that's why your husband left you. Maybe that's why your husband left. That's why you can't have kids. That's why your ass is as flat as your titties. Right? That's the message you sent. We would rather watch that than see a bunch of women come together as a team and try to achieve a common goal. We would rather watch them actually destroy each other.
What the actual hell? Damn.
Yeah. No. And then in the end, you come back and you're like guys, and it's like, all right, so let me get this straight. I have to buy you a drink, stop the axe murderer from coming through the fucking window, and I have to watch WNBA games for you? Like, when are you gonna pick up your end of the couch?
Like what? Bro, I love it.
I saw a woman.
Bro, I love his skit. I love his skit. His skit is just too amazing, guys. I love his skit. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this. Stay tuned for more. Peace.